Alright, good day everyone. This is our summative assessment number 2 for math in golden problem. It's the final task for our EG for today. So the problem is you are creating candles in different shapes, rectangular, triangular, and round. Each shape is made using wax in two sizes, small and large. See the measurements of the small container in the table below. All of the dimensions of the large container are twice the dimensions of the small container. If 1 inches raised to 3 equals to 0.55 ounce, how many ounces of wax do you need per shape and size? You need to note, use 3.14 as the value of pi. Do not round off your answers in the solution. You may only round off to 2 decimal places the final answer. Now the small first that we have to do, we need to find the rectangular, the triangular, and the round. Now the first step is rectangular. The length is equal to 1.25 inches. The width is 1.25 inches, and height is equal to 1.5 inches. We need to get the volume. The solution here is volume is equal to small height is equal to a times b times h is equal to 1.25 times 1.25 times 1.5 is equal to 2.34375 inches raised to 3. Now we need to get the ounces. Now get the 2.34375 and get the 0.55. So need to multiply it is equal to 1.29 ounces. Now next up, the triangular base is equal to 1.25 inches. The height or base is equal to 1.08 inches. The height container is equal to 1.5 inches. We need to find the volume for triangular. Solution is V is equal to small height is equal to 1/2 A times height base and times height container is equal to 1/2 times 1.25.1.08 is times to 1.5 is equal to 1.0125 inches raised to 3. Now we need to find the solution. We need to get the inches and then get the ounces of it. Now the solution is 1.0125 times 0.55 is equal to 0.56 ounces. Last part, the round of in a small part. The radius is 0.5 inches. The height is 1.5 inches. The solution is about volume is equal to small height pi r raised to 2 times h is equal to 3.14 times 0.75 raised to 2 times 1.5 is equal to 2.649375 inches raised square 3. Now the solution need to find here is the ounces is 2.649375 times 0.55 is equal to 1.46 ounces. Now the explanation is the volume of calculation is the solid figures. Why? Whereas the basic formula for the area of the rectangular shape is length times width, the basic formula for volume is length times width times height. Okay, that's the logic reasoning. Next up, the large part of the candle. Rectangular, just like what I said earlier, you need to stay this one and all of this, and you need to change the volume here. Okay. Now the first volume of the rectangular is volume large is equal to 2 times 1.25. 2 times 1.25 times inside 2 times 1.5 is equal to 2 raised to 3. Volume small is equal to 8 volume small is equal to 8 volume small is equal to x times 2.34 is equal to 18.75 inches raised to 3. Now let's find a solution of 18.75 times 0.55. It will become 10.31 ounces. So the next part is triangular. Base is equal to 1.25 inches. Just like what I said earlier, you need to copy this rectangular, triangular, and round of the large 2 times. And then we have to find a solution for the triangular large, or volume large is equal to 8 volume small is equal to 8 times 1.1. 1.0125 is equal to 8.1 inches raised to 3. Now we need to find the ounces for 0.55. Now 8.1 times 0.45 is equal to 4.46 ounces. And then the last part of volume is the volume large is equal to 8, volume small is equal to 8 times 2.64. Now, I don't want to say the whole number because it's just only 2.64. Now, equals to 21.195 inches raised to 3. Now, the last part is find the solution of the ounces. Is 21.195 times 0.55 is equal to 11.16 ounces. Now, we need to multiply first the small and then the large, and also find a solution like I said earlier of the rectangular, triangular, and round. And then the dimensions of large containers are twice the dimensions of the small containers. So that's it. Now you have to find all the numbers of rectangular, triangular, and round of small and large. Now the first step, you need to read the problem. Step 2, you have to do the small first of the rectangular, triangular, round. Get the inches, the volume, and also the ounces. And also the large, which is 2 times. Again, you need to find the volume of rectangular, triangular, and round of the candle wax. And then find the final answer of the ounces.